Hi guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews and I have my April IPSY box. This is the GLAM Bag Plus. So this one, I think it's what, $25 a month? I can never remember. This month we have a spring theme and the first thing in here is from Beauty and this is Balanced Moisture Balancing Cream. So I've had several things from this company. I probably got them all from IPSY and I always like them. I had a face scrub that I really loved, and there was something else, I can't even remember what it was, but I definitely like this company, and this is just a really nice moisturizer. It doesn't feel sticky or heavy, so I think it'll be great for summer, and it has a very lightweight scent to it. So it's one of those ones that you can put on like right after your shower or whatever, and the scent isn't so overwhelming that it messes with your perfume or, you know, whatever. So anyway, I really like this. It has good ingredients and it feels really nice and it smells good. This is Paris Hilton Skincare ProD.N.A Dual Action Cleansing Gel. You can see it's still in the box. Because I have not used this. I'm not convinced that I ever will use this. I think that Paris Hilton, the name just sort of taints it for me. I mean, I hate to do that, but it really does. And you know, I don't know. I'm really picky about my skincare. I have sensitive skin, and especially recently, every time I've tried something new, it has done something awful to my skin and I've broken out in a horrible rash. So I didn't want to use this, and I don't feel compelled to use it. And I'm not gonna lie, it's because it's by Paris Hilton. I know that's awful of me, but you know, I'm just being honest. What are you gonna do? Plus it has perfume in it, so I can't imagine that I would use this, so I will pass this on to someone else. Okay, this is from Lovecraft Beauty, and this is a bronzer palette. Whew, I almost dropped it. That could have been bad. And I love the packaging, by the way. It's cardboard, but it's nice and sturdy, and you have 3 different colors and a nice mirror in here. The colors are a bit dark for me. I might be able to get away with these more in the summertime, but I am using this one over here, Cymbeline, as like a contoury shade. Now the description of this says that they are light reflecting, what does it say? Yeah, this trio of buildable light reflecting bronzer shades will but they're matte. I mean, maybe there's some sort of magic in them that makes them light reflecting, but they don't look reflective in the pan, and I certainly don't see any shimmer or anything in them. So I do feel like these could definitely be used as a contour or a bronzer if you wanted, but they don't have a lot of shimmer to them. So, you know, plus, you know, for darker skin tones, this would be a fabulous palette. I'm not sure, honestly, if this company has different shades, you know, like a lighter compact and a darker compact. I have no idea, but I do like this Cymbeline shade. Anyway, kind of a fun palette. And the other palette in here is this Moods palette from Sanchez. And the packaging is so lovely. Like, oops, sorry. Okay, if you open it all the way, you get this beautiful picture, and it's just bright and, I don't know, fun. So here is the palette, nice big mirror. It is a cardboard magnetic closure, and you have some really fun colors in here as well as 2 highlighters. So when I first opened this, I was like, lots of bright shades, but it does have this light brown color is a great transition shade. It also can help just make things a little more, you know, neutral looking, I guess, I don't know. So I put that one in my crease, and then I used the green one all over my lid so you can kind of see what's going on here. And I don't feel like it's a super vibrant, colorful look. I've used the purple one and the blue one. The pinks are really pretty. So it's not as crazy as you think it's going to be, especially if you just use a small amount of a bright color. I know a lot of people shy away from color. And for those of you who love lots of color, you can definitely pile these on and do interesting combinations to make a very vibrant look. So it's called Moods, so that if you're in a more subtle mood or a more vibrant, crazy mood, you have some options. But it's true, there are not a whole lot of neutral, subdued type shades, and there's no really dark shades either. Even like this purple, it's intense, but it's very bright. You know, this is not a dark, vampy type of a purple. This brown right here is a really lovely brown, but again, it's not dark. So this is more of a summer springy time palette. These highlighters right here, both very pretty. So I'm wearing this one right here, which I think is my favorite. This one that looks white is very pink. It has quite, you know, like a, what do you call that? Where it flashes one, oh my God, my brain. Anyway, it's got a lot of pink in it, and the other one looks a lot like it does in the pan, just kind of a pinky champagne color. So loving this. And the brush that it came with is dual ended, and this side is fluffy and it's nice, you know, it's a decent brush. And then this side, it looks like an eyebrow brush, honestly. And I used it as like an eyeliner and it was fine, but it's kind of on the thick side. So I don't know, I guess if you wanted to do like a thick line of, I don't know, purple or something, it would be useful for that. Okay, speaking of brushes, hang on, let me wipe this off. The last thing in here is from IT Cosmetics, and this is the Heavenly Skin Skin Smoothing Complexion Brush. And it says that it has groundbreaking anti-aging skincare infused brush hair. I don't know about that. I don't know. I mean, you know, maybe it does, maybe it does. It is a very nice brush. IT Cosmetics brushes in general are really, really nice. They're very soft. I like the weight of them and the styles and shapes of them. This one is an angled kabuki, you know, dense, rounded kind of a thing, you know, for your basic foundation. You could also use this as a contour because it does have that angle on there. You could use it for cream products or powder products. I used it for my primer today and I thought that it worked really lovely and felt really nice. I do like putting on my primer with a brush. I'm often lazy and use my hands, but it feels really nice when you put it on with a brush. And then I use the same brush to put on my foundation, which is why the brush is so dirty. And I thought that it worked really well. You know, it blended it out nicely and all of that good stuff. So it is a really lovely brush. I'm not so sure about these skincare infused bristles, but you know, hey, why not? Okay, and that is it. That's my IPSY. So let me know what you guys got in your box. I always love hearing from you. Tell me what you thought of everything this month. I'm pretty happy with my box. I feel like this wasn't necessarily my favorite, but I'm not disappointed, if that makes sense. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!